So today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap and easy picture frame that you can probably make out of stuff you already have in your house. And the fun thing about making a frame out of cardboard is that you can make them double-sided. So start by getting the picture you want to frame. I decided that my Hendrix poster needed a new home. There's a red house over yonder. So this is a poster that a friend of mine gave to me when we were still in middle school. It's seen a little bit of wear and tear, so it kind of needed a frame. So I got a big piece of cardboard, then I put some masking tape on the back of the poster, and then I laid that out on the cardboard, leaving about 2 inches all the way around it. And then I cut off the excess so there was 2 inches on the other side as well, using just a straight edge and a utility knife. And then from the excess cardboard, I cut several pieces just over 2 inches. And so they should be just enough to go from the edge of the cardboard to overlap the poster a little bit. You cut one for each side. And then I got some black velvety material that looked good against the red sheen of the picture, and I cut a strip that was a little bit bigger than my strips of cardboard. And then I just took my glue gun and glued those all the way down the strip of cardboard on the back side. So here's what it looks like on the front side, nice and velvety. And then I'm not using hot glue for this because I needed something that wasn't going to cool too quickly. So I'm just using Power Tack here because it stays wet longer. So I went all the way down the side, and I glued the big strip of velvet covered cardboard, one on each side of the poster. And then for my second Hendrix poster that my sister gave me, because you can never have too many pictures of your heroes hanging on your walls, I did a brown, which looks good against the blue sky. So then on the back side of one of them, I put a line of hot glue and put a piece of yarn in the hot glue. And I did the same thing a little farther over and put the other half of the yarn in there to make a hanging loop. When that was cooled, I put some more hot glue on top of it. And then I put a dab of hot glue in each of the 4 corners of the poster and laid the other poster on top of it. And so if I'd been really clever, I'd have brought the material all the way around before I glued the 2 pieces of cardboard together, but I didn't think of it. And so when I'm feeling casual, I can have casual Hendrix hanging on the wall, and if I feel more like we have to get ourselves back to the garden, I can have Woodstock Hendrix hanging on the wall.